Good morning all of you. In last lecture we are discuss about the renewable sources. Renewable sources like biogas, biomass, then bioenergy, hydropower, wind power. These all are the renewable sources because they are continuously produced. In today's lecture we are going to discuss non-renewable sources. Non-renewable sources means it is exhaustible sources and renewable sources means it cannot be exhaust, but proper definition non-renewable source are non-renewable resources are also present in nature as deposits, but once they are used the deposits get exhausted and cannot be replaced. Means the non-renewable resources also present in our nature, means it is a deposited. Why it is a deposited? Because it have a long history. Then these deposits get exhausted and cannot be replaced because the non-renewable resources take a more times or more year to produce, so it is exhausted within limit. Then these are the fossil fuels, coal, natural gas and petroleum. These are the non-renewable sources. But fossil fuels, coal, natural gas and petroleum, these are also fossil fuels, but according to their property I mentioned in separate. Though one is a fossil fuel. What is a fossil fuel and how it is a generator, how it is a performed, how it is a occurs. Fossil fuels is it is a form when organisms die and are buried in layers of rock and soil, and layers of sand, soil and mud buried the dead organism over a millions of years ago, and because of the heat and pressure they change into the material into fossil fuels. Means long millions of years ago the organisms are die, the plants are die and they are buried into the rock, they buried into the sand, they buried into the mud, and because of the heat and pressure they change material into the fossil fuel. And fossil fuels are made of hydrocarbons, and hydrocarbons are energy rich chemical compound contain carbon, hydrogen atom. About 60% of air pollution occur due to the burning of fossil fuel because fossil fuel contain hydrocarbons. The first one is a coal, second one is a natural gas and third one is a petroleum. These are three are the also fossil fuels, but according to their shape, according to their nature, they are different into the different categories. Then what and how it is a form? A coal, it is a solid fossil fuel and formed by partial decomposition of plant deposited in layer of various depth into the soil. And coal was formed about 300 million years ago. And at that time the earth atmosphere was hot, damp and rich in nitrogen and carbohydrates. And due to the volcanic eruption and earthquake facilitate the burning process, and these layers are converted them into the hardened coal like substance, and the conversion of wood to coal usually take the thousands of years. So if you coals are used and they are finished, the process of generation of coal take a thousands of years. So that's why it is a non-renewable source. And depending on the carbon content, coal has a different grades as a flammable coal or non-flammable coal. And according to the carbon content, the here is a two category of coal. First one is a bituminous coal and second one is a anthracite coal. Bituminous coal contains 75 to 85% of carbon, and it also known as a soft coal. Bituminous coal is a soft coal, but anthracite coal, this is the best quality of coal with 95% of carbon content and 5% of volatile matter. And the anthracite coal, it is used as a fuel for steam power plants, for the running locomotive engines and industries. Then it also used for to generation of electricity in thermal power plants. The coals have a many uses, and many years ago the coal is a main or preferable burning fossil fuel. Then Is a natural gas. Natural gas is also a non-renewable source because it is formed by the decomposition of organic matter burning in the interiors of the earth, and it is recovered by a process of compression and cooling. And the natural gas is a mixture of helium, a number of hydrocarbons like methane, propane and butane. This natural gas is formed. How it is formed? It is a formed because of the decomposition of organic matter buried in the interiors of the earth, and it is recovered by a process of compression and cooling. And the natural gas is look like a blue color, or it burns with a hot blue or non-luminous flames, and because of this property it is easy to transportation and cleanliness, so it is used as a cooking gas in almost household. It is a natural gas. Natural gas also take a many times to generate, so it is also non-renewable source. Then another non-renewable source is petroleum. Petroleum means not only petrol. Petroleum means the all oils, crude oils like diesel, petrol, greases, etc. And petroleum is a mineral oil found between the rocks under the earth's surface, and it is mostly covered with compressed natural gases. And petroleum is obtained by refining crude oil. So different compound of crude oil are separated by the fraction distillation, means crude oil separated by the fractional distillation, means petrol are separated, diesel separated from the fractional distillation, grease are also separated from the fractional distillation. And these are the used in the automobiles. Then diesels are also used in automobiles. Then greases are used in the industry. So why it is used in industry? Because it reduces the friction, so it is used as a lubrication oil, gear oil like greases, and which are used for the lubricating. Then the another 70% of this oil are used in the power station in producing steam. But these all are the non-renewable resources because it take thousands of year, millions of year. Because of it, the use of these all non-renewable resources are very careful because we want to save, or we want to preserve this oil because for the next generation. So use the limited these sources. So here our renewable and non-renewable resources are finished. So I stop here. Thank you.